Hello everyone, we are talking to Jayesh Bhai. He is the founder of Mercury EV Tech Limited. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you so much. Acha, so why have you come in this business? Why did you start this business?
See, nowadays you must have heard about it. Petrol problem is coming, diesel problem is coming, pollution problem is coming, environment is an issue. So our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi is giving so much promotion and opportunity for all these things. So we have decided to go the green energy, and that is we have decided to move on with the electric vehicle.
Okay, so what is the core business?
Core business basically this company we take over in before 2 years. The name was Mercury Metal Limited. After taking the company, I wanted to put some good business. As I stated, I wanted to go for the electric vehicle. So for electric vehicle, I have done very deeply study on that. So I went around all the electric vehicles manufacturer and all the vendors and everything. So I came to the conclusion. Before 2 years, there was so much rush in the two-wheeler. But two-wheeler, after my suffer, there was two things in the market, like low speed and high speed. Low speed, that is government norms, low speed means you can't go more than 25 speed, and which is next to impossible. Like today's generation will drive the 25 kilometer speed in the two-wheeler vehicle. High speed, it was little difficult because there was government norms that was FAME 2. If you want to go for a FAME 2, government was giving subsidy of 48,000. But the condition was you have to have that vehicle is completely make India. After my study, I decided it is next to impossible to make India, which is next to impossible because we have to import motor control and so many things. So first I have decided to go in a 4 or 5 segment in the electric vehicle. So we started with the two-wheeler for the low speed, but we didn't give much concentrate on the two-wheeler. High speed, it was a long process to get ICAT certificate, that is called Make India. So first we decided to start Make India components. So we started making chassis, we started making lithium battery within a year. So we were confident. Motor controller which we have to import, so it was not going to complete my FAME 2. Now we are making in motor control as well, and we are complete for the FAME 2. And now my vehicle is in ICAT to get the approval. Two-wheeler is what only my criteria, but criteria was there was a big challenge for the auto rickshaw, which we have made very great auto rickshaw, the L3, that is called low speed L3. And we just launched on the 18th August, and we are getting tremendous order because the way we have make it very comfortably, easy driving, passenger 4+1 with the RTO approval, everything formality has been done. After Diwali, we are starting huge production as per our order. L5, that is a 6+1. It's a big mini car. That is it's called auto rickshaw only, but that is big rickshaw. You go to the villages and small cities, and they are making the trip for 6 passengers going down, coming down, dropping down. For that purpose, we have make a 6+1, and that is capacity 700 kg. And that is we have put this auto rickshaw and the approval as well. Maybe by November end we will get the approval as well.
Okay. Sir, what is the order book condition currently?
Order book is very good condition, but we are not taking much order because my plant is we are establishing in 32 Viga. I can say it is almost 20 acre. I can take a proud, I can say, we have our own CED plant in-house. That is we are first in India. So my plant will be ready by 5th November or 15th November. By December end, we will in a full-fledged production. And then after we have a make a strategy of the marketing, and we have a tie-up with the franchise India, and they are going to develop our dealer network. And the target is more than 300 dealer within 18 months.
Okay. So which are the new products which have been developed by the company and what are the expansion plans?
As I said, this is L3, L5, that is the USP, like it is coming in the December and only. Plus one we have made, you must have heard about the Chota Hathi, जो Tata का आता है. We have made the same by name is Musha. This is a 4-wheeler, 1 ton capacity and 130 kilometer range. And we are the second or third in India who is making after Tata and Mahindra. The Mercury is making the 4-wheeler. That is our huge USP. And that prototype vehicle is ready before 6 months. We have taken 10,000 kilometers road test, including the climbing the mountains and everything. It is certified. We have kept it for the government approval, Delhi at ICAT, and we might get approval within January end, most probably, because that test government is taking so much time, and that is good for the Indian people or Indian community. They make sure ICAT, the whatever company putting the vehicle on the road, it should be perfect for the road and for the public.
So please give us overview of the current industry which you are in.
See, I can say the day will come. If someone asks what is the solution of the electric vehicle, then I will like to hear from the public and from the all manufacturer. There is the one USP कि इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का अगर सॉल्यूशन है तो ओनली मर्क्यूरी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल. आस्क मी व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैव एवरीथिंग इन हाउस. वी आर मेकिंग चेसिस our own, we are making body our own, we are making lithium battery, that is our own, we are making motor controller, that is our also own, we are making body, that is also our with the dies. We have invested more than 125 crores till today, and we are investing another 100 crores within 1 year, coming year.
Okay, so the right issue had come, and has all the funds from the right issue utilized?
Let me explain you. As I said, I take over this company. It was name of Mercury Metal Limited, and then after all the SEBI's open offer formalities completed, we changed the name of Mercury Evitech Limited, and we came with the right issue before like 14 months, and there was 3 rupees per share. 65% is a promoter equity and 35% is the market. So whatever the fund is utilized in the company only, rest we are coming with the another preferential or right issue very soon for the funding.
Okay, so what are the major achievements of your company?
I can say maximum achievement we have completed, like in a short period. We have developed our own manufacturing unit in 32 Viga. It's not a small thing. Within 1 year, we have 200 lakh square feet shed with the all facilities of manufacturing. And we are coming in December, this December, I'm within 1 month or 2 months, with a huge line of production, 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler and 4-wheeler.
Okay, so what would you like to say about quality standards, R&D and innovation?
See, R&D, this is the only one company. Before we bought the land for the manufacturing, I have started my R&D in Port GIDC with 20 engineers and 15 laborers to just make the prototype vehicles. We have bought so many products from the market. We just break it, we research it, and we have developed our own design with the quality. We go for the road test. Once we satisfied, we call the driver from the road and we give them to drive the car and the rickshaw or the whatever we manufacture. We ask them, if you want to invest your life capital, जो आपने मोडी लाइफ में बनाई है, invest करोगे? They say yes or no. If they say no, so I ask them a question, why don't want to invest this type of your life का capital इसमें क्यों नहीं डालना है? तो बोलेंगे सर this vehicle में this are the problem. So we sorted out the problem and then we come to the conclusion to go to the market. That is why taking so much time to put our vehicle on the road.
Okay, so how do you look at the opportunities?
Opportunity about what?
Opportunities in the sense that currently, as you said, the market is full of EV.
Full of EV, and another 10 is coming with full of EV. You must have heard about the Prime Minister Bus Yojana. So we are making buses also. Our design is working. Design is almost ready. Now we are going to start making chassis, and I am expecting by 2024 end, we will come with the 52-seater bus also, and we will participate in Prime Minister buses Yojana as well.
Okay, so your major focus is on commercial vehicles.
Absolutely commercial vehicle, not the passenger or car vehicle.
Okay, so what would you like to highlight about your team?
I am so lucky I have a team like what I have. They all are well educated, well learned, and very enthusiastic and dedicated to my company.
Okay, so what are the financial strengths?
Financial, as I said, we have come with the 49 crores of right issue. The rest of money I am putting from my pocket, like from promoter equity, and we just completed 128 crores preferential issue. I would like to highlight one more thing. See, the company why go in the loss? First, either bank loan plus electricity bill and high expenditure. I don't have a bank loan. We have our company's land. Plus, there is no electricity bill because we have put 1 megawatts solar plant for the electricity. So I don't see much expenditure we do have. Whatever the expenditure, that is like employees and the other expenditure. That we are just coming out with the only our chassis. We are making OEM for the other people. We are making the chassis for the two-wheeler who are the manufacturer of two-wheeler and three-wheeler.
Okay, so how do you foresee the future of the company in coming 3 years?
I can say I will reach their destination. As I said, my company in electric vehicle, it will be in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 से 5 में मेरी कंपनी का नाम होना चाहिए. Because whoever in the 1, 2, 3, 4 they are established since 50 years. This is my only achievement of 18 months. And time will prove, my action will speak after 24 months.
Is your company planning for defense as well?
No, not, we have not decided for defense or anything.
Okay, so any plans for exports?
But we are coming with the container manufacturing, that I forgot to tell you.
Okay.
So we have one company and they develop in their R&D department the container and they have got a huge order. So we tie up with that company, we take over that company and we are starting the production within 45 days of the containers.
Okay, so who are the blue chip clients?
Blue chip clients, we have like government major, we have captive use also for the container.
Okay, so any other important point you may like to share with us?
Important point, like I would like to say, I will make proud of the India the way Mr. Prime Minister, our Honorable Prime Minister, promoting the electric vehicle. So we will create a big name in the global.
Okay, so what message you would like to give to investors?
I am a promoter. I have taken 65% equity in this company. So as a promoter, I can't give up, but this is the best company. If someone is a long time investor, if they want to do daily satta like buy today and sell tomorrow, then I will not advise to go for this company. But for the blue chip company and for the long investment, this is the best company I can say as a promoter because I am also an investor.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.